Are you wondering, does Insta360 have a desktop app? Yes, it does, and you can do editing with it. The Insta360 Studio can be downloaded on both PC and Mac, but it's not available in the App Store. So here's how to download Insta360 Studio. First, open a browser. Then in the address bar you can search Insta360 Studio Download. Now click on the website that says App Firmware Download, or you can just type in this address, that is insta360.com/download. Now here you'll find the download links. Choose either Windows or Mac OS, in our case which is Windows, and then the app will start downloading. Just wait for it to finish, and then follow the prompts to install the app. And after the app is installed, you can go ahead and start dropping the Insta360 videos that you recorded and start editing. And that's all there is to it. Hope you found this useful. Stay tuned for more.